Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the liquid. Bring 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 2 tablespoons butter to a rolling boil. Once it boils, remove from heat and dump in 1 cup all-purpose flour. Stir vigorously until the dough pulls into a smooth ball. This gelatinizes the starch and prevents oil seepage. Make sure the dough cools a minute, then transfer into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. While that rests, preheat oil to a steady 175 degrees, 180 degrees C, so frying, you pipe directly into hot oil, holding the bag close to the surface to avoid splashes. Pipe 4 5-inch strips and cut with scissors. Fry in small batches so the oil temperature stays stable, typically 2 to 3 minutes per side, until a deep golden color and crisp exterior form. This ensures the inside is tender but cooked. Once golden, lift to a wire rack to drain briefly, then toss immediately in a mix of 1/2 cup sugar and 1 teaspoon cinnamon to coat. While still warm for best, you make the dip by gently heating 1/2 cup heavy cream until steaming, then pouring over 100 g chopped dark chocolate. Let sit 30 seconds and whisk to a glossy ganache. Stir in 1 tablespoon butter and a pinch of salt for shine and flavor balance. Serve warm with churros. If oil begins to smoke, lower heat and wait to recover. If centers are doughy, shorten strips or fry slightly longer on lower heat, so the exterior doesn't overbrown before the interior cooks through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.